In this example, if we're looking at open pit recons in particular or compliance to design. So this was a drone picked up in site picked up in Western Australia. What I've done here is taken data from drone scans, uploaded that into Strayos, and that's been automatically processed. I'll step you through the actual software and its abilities and what we can do in this right now. Now, the beauty of this, obviously, the processing is one part of reconciliation and obviously setting up the metrics that we want to review. But then also report generation, so we can then distribute that report to site, plays a massive part. So previously we were looking at what we have in the ground, and now we're reviewing our compliance to design. The same can be said for toe flare. So if we want to see where that toe sits in comparison to the design, is our toe sitting proud? Is it behind the design? So we can obviously zoom in here and say, right, in this instance, everything is sitting proud of the design. There's nothing behind the design. Our overall berm compliance. So what we can see is, I'll bring up our metrics. So anything we've got in green here is, you can see down the bottom, 86.5% of our berms within geometry A are within plus or minus one of the actual design. So that's where it sits in compliance to design. We can bring, so again, if we want to look at this in the histogram style views, we can bring out our catch bench width against our length of high wall, and again, our batter face angle. So where our populations of batter face angles sit, and we can change the bins. At the moment, we're just looking at 1 degree. If we change it to 2 degree, we can see what that does to our histogram. And as before, when we produced a high wall report for our metrics, we can also produce a compliance report. So once we've got these reports and we've gone through and customized them to what we want to view, it's simple as downloading the PDF, and then we have that ready to use and discuss with management, operations, and the site team. The work that Ravi and the team at Strayos have done is very impressive, in my personal opinion.